Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to deposit check on phone TD Bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your TD Bank app, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option that says deposit right here. And once you tap on it, here on the bottom of the screen you'll be seeing the option that says register. Simply tap on that in order to register. And once you tap on register, here you'll be provided with terms and conditions of the bank. Simply scroll down, read it, and then once you are good with it, simply tap on accept. And once you tap on accept, on the top of your notification you'll be given a notification that you have successfully registered. Now among the options you'll find the option that says deposit check with a photo. Simply select that, and once you select that, here what you need to do is select the account that is mentioned in the check, and then following with the details of the check like your bank account number, the total amount that is mentioned in the check, and so on. Please keep in mind to check it and enter in the details properly. And once that's done, below it you'll find the option to take the front photo of the check and the back photo of the check. Simply tap on the front photo to take the front photo of the check and follow the instructions given on the screen, and then simply do the same for the back as well. And once all the thing is done and everything is good, you have successfully will have deposited check on your TD Bank through phone. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.